Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Walgreens couponing haul. All you need is your phone to be able to do these deals. I'm gonna show you how I'm able to snag 2 packs of diapers as well as some toilet paper for $2.39 a piece, which I'm super excited about. As you guys know, I am expecting in May, so we are stocking up on as many diapers as possible. There's also a ton of clearance. Every single aisle had clearance. So I'm gonna share some clearance coupon matchups with you so you can save even more. If you're new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of this channel. Below in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown as well with the scenario using a digital booster. Make sure you check your account, see if you got it. If you didn't get one this week, don't get discouraged. Not every account is going to get a digital booster every single week, unfortunately. I wish we did, but we didn't. So definitely double check though, because you never know. This video is also brought to you by FabFitFun. They just launched their spring box. I am so excited to share it with you guys, so let's take a peek. I am so excited to share with you guys what I got in my spring FabFitFun box this year. These boxes are customizable, so you can pick what options work best for you. So I'm gonna go through the different options that I personally chose, as well as some promo codes that you guys can use to save 20% on your first box. So let's dive in. The first thing I decided to grab is this salad swell bowl kit. So it helps you to separate everything when you want to take your salad to work or out somewhere. That way the ingredients can stay separate so everything doesn't get all schloppy. I hate soggy lettuce so much. It's absolutely disgusting. So I thought this would be really nice because I don't have that many different containers and everything fits in one. So I don't have to worry about like packing 3 or 4 different containers. And even though it's pink, I'm probably going to be sending it with my husband to work every once in a while, so he'll just have to get over it. Next, I grabbed the Glow System. This is magnesium reset spray. I always like to do different kinds of facial care and body care, things like that. It says spray onto skin and massage in, focusing on areas of tension or fatigue for recovery and relaxation. So this is one of the options that you can grab. So with FabFitFun, there are 2 different options that you can do for signing up for the box. So first option is going to be seasonally. It's going to bill you every 3 months. Obviously, there's 4 seasons, so you're going to get 1 box per season, which is amazing. You can get 20% off of your first box with code BREE. The second option is going to be the annual option, and you can get a $200 gift on top of the box. So that is going to be code BREEGIFT. So again, those will be below for you. And keep in mind, Mother's Day is coming up, so it's never too early to start grabbing something. You can personalize it and pick whatever gifts and products you think your mom would like. And if you're going to be a new mom like me, spoil yourself, you deserve it. And that way you can get a really nice little present that you get to personalize in the mail, comes right to your door once every couple months, which is always really nice. So those links will be below for you guys in the description box. Let's see what else we got. Then about 2 years ago, I got like a lip balm treatment that I still use. I still have a little bit left because these products last you so long. So I wanted to replace that. So this one is a lip butter. It is shea and avocado. I have a lip oil on right now, so I'm not going to put it on, but I wanted to get like a lip mask to replace the one that I had gotten from FabFitFun a couple years ago. Then I have the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura. So this is going to be a cream. Look how beautiful. I'm really excited to use that. I'll let you guys know on my Instagram stories when I start using it, how I like it. So my new Instagram is at BreeCouponQueen3, and I'll share as I start using these products with you guys. This next one is probably my favorite. Look how cute this bag is. I've been seeing so many people using a bag like this, and I wanted to grab one. I just didn't know where to get it from. This is going to be such a cute bag, especially with like a little sundress. You're going out, you're doing brunch, something like that. So this is super cute. So this is one of the options that I chose. Keep in mind, you can personalize this bag and this box to be able to get whatever you want. So there's a bunch of different options that you get to choose from. These are just the options that I personally chose. And if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love earrings. I just have like simple gold ones on. It's kind of been the route that I've been taking recently. And this comes with 3 sets of different size gold earrings. So I'm super excited to give that a shot. So this is everything that I wound up grabbing in my spring FabFitFun box. Let me know in the comments below what kind of products that you are going to be choosing when you sign up for the FabFitFun box, and those will be below for you in the description box. Now let's head in store and take advantage of some more amazing deals that you can score this week. We are going to start with a really easy deal. My store just happens to be out of stock. It is on the Gillette Foaming Shave Cream, which is on sale this week for buy one, get one half off. Buy two, you're going to earn a $5 register reward. So when you grab two, that's going to come to about $5.68. There's no coupons or anything that I have that works with this product, so you would pay that out of pocket, but then you're going to earn back the $5 register reward. Makes it 68 cents for two of them, which is a really good deal, especially if you want to add that in with any digital spend booster that you have, so definitely check your account. You want to check all of the clearance, and in my store there is literally hundreds of tags every single aisle. Here's a deal you can do. This is not the right one, it should be over here, but there is an Axe that is on clearance for $3.79. Axe is already on sale too for buy one get one half off, so clearance will work with the sale as well. So grabbing two at $3.79, the second one would be half price. That's going to bring you to $5.68. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Your final cost would be $2.68 for two, or $1.34 a piece, which is not a bad deal for some Axe. Here's a really good deal on Purell hand sanitizer. So these are 2 for $3 this week. Check your Ibotta account. Mine has 75 cents back when you buy two. That would make your final cost $2.25 for both, or $1.12 a piece. Another option that's on clearance is going to be this 4-ounce bottle here on clearance for $2.79. Submit to Ibotta, you're going to get 75 cents cash back. Makes your final cost $2.04 a piece. The next deal is on Dove body wash. We haven't had one of these deals in quite a while, so if you need to stock up, this would be a great week. The Dove Men is a little bit cheaper, so they are on sale for buy one, get one half off. Buy two in store, you'll earn a $2 register reward. So grab two, then clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $7.98, get back a $2 register reward. Makes your final cost $2.99 each. You can always pay with Walgreens cash on this deal as well to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Another option, the Dove cleanser is included in the promotion. It's just not tagged at the store. I did check on the Walgreens app on the weekly ad. So what you could do is grab two. Second one would be $2.49. You would pay the $7.48 out of pocket. There's no coupon that works on this product, but then you're going to earn back the $2 register reward. Makes your final cost about $2.74 a piece, which is an amazing price. It's about 75% off because regularly they are $10 per bottle. Another body wash deal is on the Axe this week, so they are on sale for $5 a piece. When you buy two in store, you'll get a $2 register reward. So grab two. There is a 4 off 2 Axe digital coupon. You'll pay $6, get back a $2 register reward. Makes them just $2 a piece. The diaper deal this week that I'm going to be stocking up on is on Pampers. So they are 2 for $21. Buy two in store, you'll earn a $4 register reward. So this morning I realized I am 6 months pregnant. I feel like I am way behind with getting things, so I'm going to make sure that we are fully stocked up. So I'm going to grab a newborn and a size 1 because I have no idea obviously what size he's going to be when he's born. So that'll total me $21. I have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I'll wind up paying $18, earning back a $4 register reward. Makes them $7 per bag. But I have a spend $20, earn $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster on my account. So I'm going to be adding this in with that to make them even cheaper. There's a great deal on cleaning supplies this week. These Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. It's not tagged. I don't know why some of the tags don't show, but in the weekly ad, it shows when you buy 3 in store, you're going to earn a $3 register reward. So you're going to grab 3 of these at $3.29 each. There is a $2 Mr. Clean digital coupon that I still have. I haven't used it yet. I would pay $7.87. Get back the $3 register reward. Makes them just $1.62 per pack, which is a really good deal. My store only has 2 though, so I'm gonna have to pass on this deal. Let me know in the comments if you guys score. If you need dish soap, you can grab this Gain Ultra Clean. They are $1.99 on sale this week. Buy 2 in store, get a $1 register reward. We don't have any coupons or anything this time, so you would pay the $3.98 out of pocket, or you could pay with up to $4 in Walgreens cash to cover that. Then you're going to earn back the $1 register reward for buying 2. Makes your final cost $1.49 per bottle. We hit the jackpot. So you want to check your paper product aisle. There is a ton of clearance, and this Cottonelle 9-count rolls is on clearance for just $6.99 right now. Plus we have a $2 digital coupon, so clip that. Makes your final cost for one of these $4.99. More clearance in the oral care aisle. So here's a deal you could do. These Crest Brilliants are on clearance for $5.49. Grab two. There is a 5 off 2 digital coupon that does attach. That would make your final cost $2.99 per toothpaste. Another option is this Gum Detoxify for $3.99. Grab two. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. That would make it $1.49 a piece. These are also included in the promotion for buy two, get a $5 register reward. So that's gonna make them money maker deals. I'm gonna try this deal out at checkout and I will let you guys know if I have any issues. But grabbing 2 of these would wind up being a $2 money maker. Another oral care deal and a clearance matchup is on the dry mouth. It's on clearance for $4.99. This one is not showing it's on clearance online, so this one would be in store only. There is a $2 digital coupon. You would pay just $2.99. Let's go over the scenario that I'm gonna do using my spend booster for spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Keep in mind, not every account gets spend boosters every week. It's kind of just luck of the draw, but definitely double check, see if you have it. So you need at least $20 on the nose of product value before any manufacturer coupons in order to get the $5 back in Walgreens cash. So the reason why I'm building up my transaction, all of this is $35.97. That way I can use Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Now, if you need help with using Walgreens cash and spend boosters, the whole 9 yards, then down below in the description box is going to be my Walgreens cheat sheet. You can download it completely free. It explains everything for you, makes it super easy. So total for coupons is $10. Then I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash, and here's why. We have $35.97 of product value. We only need $20 of product value. So there's an additional $15.97 worth that I can use store register rewards or store discounts like Walgreens cash to cover. Then I'm gonna use a $5 manufacturer register reward as well that expires today, so that way I don't lose it. So my out-of-pocket cost is gonna be $10.97. Then I'll earn back a $5 register reward, a $4 register reward, and $5 in Walgreens cash. Makes my final cost $11.97 for 5 products or $2.39 a piece. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went perfectly. The register rewards all printed. Let me show you guys, where did it go? My receipts and my register rewards. Get over here. Okay, so anytime there's clearance, you always want to make sure that you're reading the tag so that way you know like exactly what the product is supposed to be, because a lot of times they're going to be kind of mismatched. So for the Crest, I wanted to make sure that I grabbed 2 of the same one just so that I didn't have issues with the digital coupon. And these were in the wrong spot. So these, the Gentle Whitening, are on clearance for $3.99 each. So it wound up being a $2 moneymaker, which is amazing. My register rewards printed. Here's the $5 for the 2 Crest and the $4 for the 2 Pampers. And let's go over my receipts. Here's everything that I grabbed. I obviously showed you guys a ton more deals, but I personally didn't need them, so that's why I passed on them. I used the $5 register reward like I mentioned. Here's the Crest Digital. This one is for the Pampers, and here's the $2 for the Cottonelle. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $10.97 plus tax, so I swiped my card for $11.46. Then I got back the register rewards that I showed you, and I earned the $5.25 in Walgreens cash. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. There were a lot of great online deals this week as well, as usual with Walgreens for curbside pickup. So I'm probably gonna do an online deals video for you guys and post it either tomorrow or Wednesday. Let me know in the comments if you guys still wanna see that so I can update that for you guys. There are some codes that are working online. I did see New 10 is working on like skincare and wellness products and things like that. Haven't had a chance to really deep dive into any other codes or anything, but all of that would be included in that video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and I will see you next time. Bye.